Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So it's Ava's birthday, so the kitchen is busy and we're cooking pancit. Pancit with ano yan? Pancit bihon. And JD's cooking bulalo. Happy birthday, friend! Tumingin ka naman sa camera. Camera shy ka masyado. Happy birthday. Oh, camera shy daw siya. So, magluluto na tayo ng pansit. Ay! Aso?
Garlic powder, onion powder.
Ito talaga yung head chef namin. So, chef lang talaga ako dito. 'Di ba? Mga assistant lang ito talaga. Si JD talaga nagaluto namin.
Hi guys, vlog takeover daw. So today is Ava's birthday. We're gonna celebrate her life. Some of our friends will come over. So magluluto kami ng bihon, pansit bihon and canton. At magluluto din ako ng bulalo. So it's my first time cooking bulalo. So I don't know how it will turn out. But bear with me. Hopefully it will be delicious and everyone will enjoy it.
Hi! To my mom, you should be proud of me kasi marunong na akong magluto. Kumusta na, chef?
I'm searing the beef. Wala lang. I just thought maybe it will add more
Flavor.
flavors. So, bulalo is all set. Sear ko na yung meat. Ngayon, papakuluan na lang siya. Ipa-pressure cook. Sasalang natin sa pressure cooker. And then, let's see how it goes after 35 minutes. Pressure cook. Tayin lang natin siya after 30 minutes or 35 minutes.
Pancit is cooked na.
Parang last year may shortage din eh, COVID naman.
Change outfit. Ay. Tapos na. Kumusta ang hinihiwa mi?
Okay na, almost there.
Almost there
Almost
na.
half.
Eh, yung bulalo,
Oh my gosh. Wala akong mag-day off mga 1 week na 1 week.
30 minutes pa.
Grabe naman. Sabi
For
na Alban,
nachos.
inapin natin siya.
At cheese para sa nachos. Hindi ko alam, kamatis, nakakaiyak pala yung kamatis.
Yeah.
Grabe yung kamatis.
So
Akala ko
hard.
sibuyas lang. Happy birthday, friend!
Salamat
Thank you.
po.
Very good.
Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay na. My God. Alam.
Salamat.
Say it right.
It's hard to say it.
Yummy!
Yummy.
O say bye. Say bye to the camera.
Bye bye.
Bye, Mom.